Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of Frax Finance, a next-generation DeFi platform redefining stablecoins and decentralized finance. This platform offers innovative features such as algorithmic stablecoins, staking rewards, and lending opportunities to optimize your cryptocurrency portfolio. The Frax ecosystem is built around its unique stablecoin, Frax, and its governance token, FXS. Upon visiting Frax Finance, you will see an intuitive dashboard providing access to multiple features. The platform's standout feature is its partially algorithmic and collateral-backed stablecoin model, which maintains Frax's peg to the US dollar with remarkable efficiency. Users can mint FRX by providing collateral such as USDC or FXS, benefiting from the system's flexibility and transparency. Navigating to the Earn section, you'll discover staking opportunities with attractive APRs. Frax Finance allows you to stake FXS tokens or LP tokens from supported pools, offering competitive yields. This is a simple and effective way to generate passive income while supporting the Frax ecosystem. The rewards are dynamic and updated regularly, ensuring that your investments align with the latest market trends. In the AMO section, Frax deploys its innovative automated market operations, a set of strategies designed to optimize liquidity and maintain stability within the ecosystem. Whether you're an advanced user or a beginner, these tools empower you to interact seamlessly with decentralized markets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. In the governance section, users can participate in Frax's decentralized decision-making process. This is where FXS holders can vote on key proposals, shaping the future of the platform. Voting power is proportional to your stake in FXS, making this a true representation of decentralized governance. The minting process is straightforward. By clicking Mint, you can input the amount of collateral you'd like to use and receive FRX tokens instantly. Similarly, redeeming FRX for collateral is just as user-friendly, ensuring smooth transitions between assets. Lastly, the Analytics dashboard provides a clear overview of Frax's performance metrics, including its collateral ratio, market cap, and yield rates. These tools enable informed decision-making, ensuring transparency for all users. Sign up on Frax Finance today using the link in the description to unlock your new user bonus and start maximizing your crypto potential. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth tutorials on DeFi platforms and like the video to support our content.